Hi, today we're going to go over how to adjust our email notifications for both personal notifications and board notifications. First, we're going to navigate to our HootBoard URL and log into our account. Then, next to Post Here, we're going to go to our profile and click on our profile. We're then going to click on Notification Settings. Our first option is going to be Personal Notifications. Here's all of the email notifications that are categorized as personal. From here, you would just select which notifications you want to turn on and off, and then select Save Changes. Moving on to board notifications, you would just click on the Board Notifications tab. Any board that you are currently a member or a follower of would be posted here. So next to the particular board that you would like to adjust the notifications for, click on Expand. And here you're going to see your email and push notifications. From here, just like with personal notifications, you would simply check or uncheck which notifications you would like to receive, click Save Changes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.